Hello, I am Manuel Duchet from the CATIA Design portfolio team. It's been a while since I last shared a few tips about CATIA product perception experience. And this time I would like to do it live using the app. So let's get started. The first one will be about how to open a product or 3D part in a new view from its properties panel. If I right click this handlebar, go to its property page, I then find the open command under this 3-dot icon, and this will open that specific product or part. Second tip, still about authoring, is about how to highlight the object participating to a given variant. So we have 3-4 types of variant that can contain object: product variant for visibility management, position variant for position management, material variant as it is defined by the object and the applied material, also simulation result variant, and human variant. So that's 5. Let's take as an example for these tips the battery of this electrical bike. We'll just use some position variant to remove the cache. See the battery, and I have a third one with the component of the battery. So to check how many objects participate to this variant, I just right click the variant or click its burger menu, and I select the select content command, and I have my 3 objects. It seems to be 3. Let's double check, bringing the tree, calling the select content command again, and 1, 2, 3 objects participating to that variant. So this is quite handy. For example, if I wanted, that's one example among others, to pick and apply a material on these 3 objects. 3 objects, not too many, but if I had like a dozen of objects, I would be happy to have a selection created that easily. So to remember is that simply a variant is a selection set in itself. Next one, hiding a panel at play. So it's